Assalamu alaikum. I am Salim Raza Sheikh. I am Director IT at Islamabad Police, heading the team of IT department in Islamabad Police. As an IT head, I am excited about all the steps that we have taken to boost the productivity of the police department and to facilitate the citizens by minimizing the gap between citizens and police. It really makes me happy when I see that our hard work is going towards the betterment of our cities. In the recent era, there are many new things that we have introduced at Islamabad Police, like the implementation of big data analysis, surveillance smart cars, and facilitation centers, etc. etc. For us, the safety of our citizens and our cities is a priority. Our aim is to facilitate our citizens and make our services easily accessible and convenient for them in terms of time and processes. We have introduced the citizen facilitation centers where they can use our most of our services under one roof, like the police character certificate issuance, police general verification, theft report, amongst other things. We are also working on an application on which any citizen can log a complaint and check the status of all services that we offer in our facilitation center. We are working on an application called eNaka. It's another unique application that our community will be able to benefit from. For example, if a police officer stops anyone on Naka, he can verify the person from Nadra database directly and other databases like excise and criminal record management system, etc. etc. All these systems are integrated in one application, and every checkpoint can be monitored on Met. Most of these systems I'm talking about are implemented and currently operational, like electronic file system, modern police system applications, facilitation centers applications, electronic Naka systems, big data, and Citizen 360 surveillance vehicles are operational. Big data has transformed many industries like health, banking, and retail. There is very little work done in police and especially in Pakistan. It is a very vast domain and can help to transform the meaning of public safety. We have worked on different uses of big data like social media analysis, crime predictions on the basis of existing crimes veterans. Deployment of the police force on the basis of prediction is another interesting use case. It has a very pleasant experience working with our technology partners on latest technology, especially on big data and data science. I would like to thank my technology partners for introducing and bringing in the latest technology to Pakistan. Our other technology partner, Metis team, has worked endless hours to make our vision into a reality in making these cities safe and our processes efficient. Their team showed good potential in big data technologies and have understood the police domain. I am expecting many changes in our operational systems like crime pattern and prediction of crimes, connectivity between social media and the data police has connecting seemingly some unrelated correlated cases that are almost impossible to correlate without big data. It will boost the productivity of police and help us solve crime faster along with lowering the overall crime rate. Metis is our technology partner like a few others. So Metis has brought latest technology to Pakistan, making us at par with the rest of the world in terms of how our systems operate. This is a very crucial step for Pakistan if we want our cities safe and our processes as efficient as we see abroad and get inspired by. The team itself is willing to go the extra mile in terms of innovation and customer satisfaction. Police are using big data to find the crime patterns, related crimes and criminals, occurrence and which crimes are higher and what area we should target to reduce the crimes and what type of crimes are related to a specific area. This will definitely help reduce crime rate in the city. The smart cars are specially designed to work with the Safe City project of Islamabad. The car has cameras and surveillance system that reports back to the headquarters. This not only extends the reach of the system but also allows the police to react faster on crime and emergency events on the spot.